Building your shop online? Meet Woolberry, the perfect starter kit for your next WooCommerce shop. Everything is thought out down to the last detail. Load your content and its custom fields dynamically, anywhere into your layouts. Design a unique live search with the page builder and get results in real time. Showcase your products with videos for a truly engaging experience. Display your product images and videos in their best light with a modern lightbox gallery. Add a versatile filter element to your product pages so your customers find exactly what they want. Woolberry comes with 24 content-rich page layouts for all your shop pages, and even more in the layout library, all just a click away. Of course, they are fully responsive and optimized for any device. Choose from 6 beautiful styles and switch the whole look of your site with just a click. Or try out tons of other styles from the library. That's Woolberry, your e-commerce shop solution, powered by the YOOtheme Pro page builder and all its features.